That's our caliber. ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರು ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲದೆಲ್ಲ ಸನ್ನಿಟ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಶಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರವನ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಶಿ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಶಿ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಒಂದು ಚರಿಷ್ಮಾ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಹಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ಪುಷ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಶಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್. Now you can tell about me also, no?
Channel show மாதிரி ஆயிப்போச்சு. Channel எல்லாம் ஷோ பண்ண போகும்போது everyone appreciate each other. Anyway, I'm so happy. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட கன்னடா தெரியாது. I'll speak in English. I'm surprised to see Vasu sir speaking such good Kannada. For me, it's very good Kannada because since I can't speak a little bit Kannada also. I'm so happy to be a part of Drishyam to be saying very formal, but as sir rightly said, we were actually a family. For me, as an actor, I need so much of love towards my fellow actors while acting. Like if a husband character or a lover character or a son character or a daughter character, I need to feel that kind of love inside my heart for me to perform. And I'm so happy that these three people, I'm mostly associated with them in the film. Most of the time I'm inside that house and all. So I really got it because of their cooperation also. And of course in Malayalam, I have acted a few number of films, so not in other languages. For me, this is one of my favorite shooting film. Like, you know, while shooting, this is, as sir said, I'm very much attached to everyone in the location. And for me, I never felt that I am coming from another language because I talk to everyone in Malayalam. Nobody restricted it. In the beginning, 2-3 days, sir told me, speak in English, okay, speak in Tamil, speak in Kannada and all. But after that, he started understanding my Malayalam, including Sitaram sir. I'm happy because Sitaram sir worked in a lot of Malayalam films, so he can understand my Malayalam. So Ammai Akkada, Ammai Ikkada, and then he will say all Malayalam, korchu, right, and all he will say, he will talk to me. And Vasu sir is a Malayali, so I can talk to him in Malayalam. And producers are Malayalis, and sir knows Tamil very well. And I don't know these people, these Aruhi, they can't speak Malayalam, but I talk to them in Malayalam and they understand Malayalam. I'm surprised about that and the kind of love we had in the location. Even I should really thank my director because the film is a serious film. It's a very emotional film. But in the beginning, in the first half and all, between the husband and wife, yeah, it's a very emotional and serious film. But between the husband and wife, there is a kind of chemistry with a lot of comedy, right? It's more humorous. And he gave the permission. Sir gave the permission. Whenever I tried to, since he can understand Malayalam, whenever I say a dialogue in Malayalam, which is a counter to whatever sir is saying, he accepted it. He said, yeah, it's good. It's giving a good thing. Because he can understand Malayalam, he accepted it. And also, they could give that proper Kannada thing for that counter which I'm saying. So, without a director with such a free mind, we cannot perform so openly. And about the actor Ravichandran sir, I have never seen his other movies, but for me, the actor is like who is standing in front of me. He always gives such a good vibe and such a good positivity. I don't know how much difficult it was for him to reciprocate to whatever I was doing because since my language is another, I'm coming from Malayalam, I must be pronouncing the words in a wrong way, but he was always supportive. So I think I could do well. And of course, the producers are from our side, so they were all, naturally we were having a good rapport. And sir is one hero which I have, Ravichandran sir is one hero which I have seen who is so much affectionate and passionate and compassionate towards everyone in the location, not only to one person or.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈಗೆ ತಟ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
So I
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್
had it been in Malayalam, I would have told very nicely.
ನಾ ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ 11:00ವರೆಗೆ ಮಸಾಲ ಬರೋದಂತ.
So I love that song and I have used that song lyric in the film. While a scene I have used it because in the movie
ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಂದೊಂದು ಹಾಡು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು
and that song I have seen Navile Navile. I love that song, the kind of picturization he has made for that song, and he is one director who has made the actresses look so beautiful that from the songs which I have seen.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರಳುತ್ತದೆ
The one song which I have seen, the Saundarya ma'am, I really love that song also. Yeah, the shots also I really loved. And sir, I'm so happy and I feel, not for a formality, I really feel blessed to work with Ravichandran sir and Vasu sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಲರ್
ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಇವಳು
ಬಟ್
I didn't get you.
ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲಮ್
I will make you glamorous. I will make you glamorous.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Sir, I don't know about this part because since I have not seen his films, but it must be entertaining for the audience. That's why they have accepted all the films. But I'll tell you one thing from what I have heard from his what I have heard from him is that he says women is the best creature which has been made by God. So the most beautiful creature. So this kind of a statement can be made only by a good human being. So I don't know about the glamour, about the. I also tell him that every song has a Miley that peacock feather and all. But he is a very good human being.
You have done that Rangoli, with the peacock after going for Odin.
For my Onam celebration, I have updated it in my Insta. If you can watch, I have made a rangoli with a peacock, but
Not that intention.
Not
not
my
with that intention. But sir was telling this is the hangover of Mr. Ravichandran, which you made a rangoli, not a rangoli, flower, pookalam bisi attakku for our Onam.
ಎಮ್ಮ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಂಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಂಗ್
ಅಲ್ಲ MOM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಕೂಡ ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
No, I'm telling sir.
ಅವ್ರ ಗ್ಲಾಮರ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ
Sir, if he is calling for a film, he knows who I am.
There's a mutual respect
So-
between the hero and heroine, director and
So he will call me only for what I really deserve.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಗ್ಲಾಮರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
See, there is a difference, there is a thin line between sensuality and sexuality. If you're talking about sensuality, I'm all there. That's it.
ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು when people want to act on screen, they know what to do it, how much it needs on screen, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು becomes how the director going to handle the whole thing. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀನು